Hello, AT students. This is a video about the amazing science electives that the science department at Addison Trail High School offers. We have lots of options, so please watch the entire video so you can make a choice that best suits you.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Zaru. I have the privilege of teaching Principles of Biomedical Science and Medical Interventions. Both of these classes are very hands-on. There's labs at least once every 2 weeks and activities, and it is project-based. So the students get to kind of go at their own pace. I am just there to help facilitate and give the foundational knowledge. It's a really cool pathway, and I love teaching it. So in Principles of Biomed, there's college credit available, and there's four big units. There's medical investigation, clinical care, outbreaks and emergencies, and innovation. And at the end of each unit, there's a big problem that they have to solve. So for unit one, it's all about solving a crime case. For unit two, it's all about diagnosing a new patient that comes into their clinic and they're acting as a doctor. Unit three, it's them creating an app that would be helpful for a pandemic. Could be based on anything they think would be helpful and pretty topical at the moment. And for unit four, they get to design a medical innovation. It could be a new type of stent, insulin pump, anything as simple as that. And then for my medical interventions class, this class is actually an honors credit and also college credit as well. So 4 units with this. For unit one, it's how to fight infection. So it's them acting as doctors at a college and they're trying to fight an outbreak that's occurred there. For unit two, they are going to act as if they are genetic counselors for a couple trying to conceive. It's very heavy in genetics and gene editing, pretty cool. For unit three, it's how to conquer cancer. So they would be treating a cancer patient and also determining what may have caused the cancer. For unit four, it's how to prevail when organs which is all about renal failure and organ donations. So they're actually going to go into what happens when you need an organ donor or you want to be a donor. So thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.
Hello. This is Miss Bunk, and I'm here to talk to you about AP Physics C. This is a calculus based physics course for seniors who have completed AP Physics 1 and who took calculus their junior year or will be taking calculus their senior year. This is actually two AP classes in one, so you can choose to take two AP tests or one AP test. You can get potentially credit for two college courses, which is awesome. First semester is mechanics, so a lot of topics that we covered in AP Physics 1, but introducing calculus. And second semester is completely new topics about electricity and magnetism. There are no web assigns, which I know a lot of people may be happy about, and I hope that we get to do some field trips. If the world is back to normal at the end of the school year, we should also be able to do our cardboard boat race, which is super fun. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.
Hello, Addison Trail students. It's Mrs. Irwin here to tell you about AP Biology. AP Biology is a great elective to take if you love the study of life and want to earn college credit. We cover 8 units of study that build on the foundation that you already have. We also explore real world, cutting edge research and do interesting labs and activities. Some of the labs that we do are pictured here on the screen. So if any of that piques your interest, I hope that you consider taking this course. It is probably best suited for upperclassmen because you will already have had taken chemistry and biology. The chemistry is an important consideration because that is our first unit of study at the beginning of the school year. This is also a really great option for any of you considering a STEM pathway or pre med. More and more colleges are requiring undergraduate research, so this will definitely prepare you for that requirement. You will get a lot of hands on lab experience as well as learn how to maintain a laboratory notebook. The workload is commensurate with an advanced placement course, but it is structured in such a way that the workload is manageable. I am very mindful of the fact that you may have a lot of work in other classes, so I try very hard to give you sufficient time to turn in longer assignments. I really hope this is a class that you consider taking. I would love to have you as one of my future students, and I hope the rest of this school year goes well for you too. Thanks so much. Bye.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Rivera, and I teach AP Environmental Science. AP Enviro is an interdisciplinary course that focuses on ecological processes, legislative, industrial, and agricultural impacts on the earth, and natural and human-made environmental problems. Who can take AP Environmental Science? Anybody in high school, in any grade. What prerequisites are there? You should have biology or be taking it at the same time. Why should I take this class? Well, because it's fun and informative. We get outside and experience our environment while studying it. Let me show you some field trip pictures that we've taken in the past. Here's a field trip that we took to Lake Michigan. We went and took water samples, checked shoreline erosion, and looked at a natural phenomenon of a ravine that led directly to the water. And here is a photo of us walking down the boardwalk at Volo Bog. We were able to get out and see unique plants and animals that live in this environment. So, if you are interested in environmental science, you can take this AP course. If you take the AP test, you'll get college credit, but it's not required. We just have a lot of fun. We get to do a lot of experiments with nature. We get outside a lot, and I think you would really enjoy it.
Hi, are you thinking about doing something in medicine? Does the human body interest you? Do you like to dissect? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this is the class for you. Maybe you're unsure of what you want to do. Then again, this class will help you figure out a good path for you to take. And more importantly, learn more about you, the human body. In anatomy and physiology, we will learn about the 11 body systems and how they work together to maintain homeostasis. So we will look at systems such as the cardiovascular system, respiratory system, muscular system, the reproductive system, and that's just to name a few. Each system we'll look at in detail, and there may be some dissections as well. So we may dissect a sheep heart, we may dissect a sheep brain, a cow eye, and the fetal pig. So that is just some of the things that we will cover throughout the course. So if any of this interests you, I would love to see you in anatomy and physiology. Good luck. See you next year. Hi, are you thinking about a career in healthcare? Maybe you're not sure what you want to do when you leave Addison Trail. Medical Careers can help you find your career path. Medical Careers is a senior level course that also offers free college credit through College of DuPage. It is a 2-period block for 1 semester. During that time, 3 days a week, we travel off campus to our local community hospital where students have the opportunity to shadow professionals in various fields. Some of the units that you are allowed to shadow in are physical therapy, cardiology, medical surgical nursing, the cath lab, ICU, and that's just to name a few. During the other 2 days a week in the classroom, you will be learning topics such as how to take vital signs, medical terminology, infection control methods. And again, that's just some of the topics that will be covered. The opportunity that you get in medical careers most college students don't get until their second or third year in college. Why wait that long to find out what you truly want to do as your career? Sign up for Medical Careers to help find your passion. Hope to see you next year or your senior year. Bye.
Hi, this is Mr. Lindgren, and I wanted to give you a little information about Project Lead the Way in the Human Body Systems class. So in Human Body Systems, we learn about the human body, focusing on how it works and also what happens when it doesn't. So rather than going through an organ system by organ system approach, we look at how multiple things come together to make your body work the way that it does. Throughout the class, in order to do that, we use various different models and mannequins where we build different muscles and organs to give you a better picture of what the human body looks like. With this being a Project Lead the Way class, you have the potential to earn up to 3 college credits in this course alone, and you can potentially leave Addison Trail with a total of 9 credits if you take all 3 of our Project Lead the Way courses.